Hi guys, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Hopefully you'll be able to see this car because we've got absolutely gorgeous bright blue skies, and it's sort of bouncing, and the sunlight is just bouncing off the car, so hopefully you'll be able to see it clear enough. This is an XK8 4.2 V8. It's a 2004 on an 04 plate, and it's in platinum silver with Nimbus grey leather, and the car has covered a mere 41,000 miles, full massive documented service history, everything with the car, all the handbooks, service book, receipts. We've got the registration document, all the MOTs. It's an absolutely gorgeous car. It's got 20-inch alloy wheels, and it's a lovely level straight car. No corrosion on the bottoms of the sills, on the wheel arches. There's no corrosion as there usually are on the bottoms of the rear quarters, which make the bumper there. Lovely straight sills, lovely straight bottoms of the wings. All the panels are just so flat and straight. It is an absolutely gorgeous car, this. Now, cars like XK8s like this don't come along very often. Not with that type of mileage and ownership. We know the car really, really well. It's from a guy who lives actually in my village in North Yorkshire, and he's always garaged the car. In fact, the car has always been garaged, and you can tell that with the condition of the car. Let's have a look in the boot. If you can see it, all around the boot aperture, and all around the boot, actual boot skin is absolutely perfect. It's got a space saver spare wheel, but it's got all the locking wheel nut tool there, as you can see, and the jack and the wheel brace. It's all underneath the wheel. But yeah, what an absolutely gorgeous car. This is a beautiful shade of silver. It's platinum silver. As you can see, all the trims around the windows, which are actually Dorchester grey. If anybody ever wanted to know what that colour was, the correct colour is Dorchester grey. None of those are all blistered like normal. They usually oxidise or just blister or just drop to pieces. They're absolutely sound on this car. Front wings again, absolutely perfect. Bonnet is lovely. It's had a mesh grille put on there at some stage. Headlights are lovely and clear, no damage to them. Fog lights are no damage to them, lovely and clear. Windscreen's lovely. Let's just have a look underneath the bonnet. I have got the car running, you've probably heard. Then we'll have a look on the inside. Like I say, it's either too cold, too rainy, too windy, too dull. Now it's too bright today, but anyway, never mind. There you go, that's lovely V8 4.2 there running. As you know, there were a 4 litre these cars to start with in '96 when they were launched, and then just before they got finished they became a 4.2. Just walk round to the other side. Air conditioning, ice cold on this car, so no worries there. The car will be sold with 12 months MOT, independently done, just up the road from us. It's got premium sound system in it, as this car. Of course, these later XKs, before they changed onto the all aluminium cars, were sort of upgraded. They got the bird's eye maple wood in them. You know, they got the bit bigger seats, bigger bolsters on the seats, centre armrest there with the sunglasses holder. This one has had a new headliner fitted by us about 6 months ago, something like that, before the car came to us for sale. Auto dimming mirror there with the compass. As you can see, no deterioration on the liquid crystal display. It's got a radio cassette, CD stacker in the boot. As you can see, if I just go through the trip computer. This car has been averaging 29.6 to the gallon. It's gone down a little bit, actually. It was 30 point something last time I looked, but there you go, 41,113 miles from new. It's got premium sound system in, it's got cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, front and rear fog lights. It's got obviously digital air conditioning, climate control. It's got heated front seats, and the air conditioning is lovely because it's a hot day today. It's absolutely beautiful. Electric seats, as you can see in the back there. They're never usually sat on, are they, those rear seats. Nice parcel shelf, not all coming to pieces like some of them. And lifting, that one's absolutely perfect. Well, the Nimbus Grey is really, really nice for a change, actually. Of course, you've got your wooden gear knob, and you've got your wood leather sport steering wheel. I'll show you in the back there, you can see. I'll just pan out a bit. Yeah, absolutely lovely. It's got 3 keys. It's got the valet key, 2 remotes, and then 2 other main ignition keys. Electric mirrors, electric windows. All the windows go up correctly as you close the door. None of the mirrors have got any damage on. This is a really, really, really nice car, this. Rear parking sensors. No corrosion on the car. The underside is absolutely gorgeous. We've been underneath it. We've just given it an oil and filter change because it's not done many miles since its last service, which was a full comprehensive service. Yeah, just so many things that we look for. You know, no deterioration on the gaskets, you know, on the door handles, all the door trims and window trims, like new, just like new. No damage, no scuffs on reflectors, light lenses, wheels are nice. They were a big cost option, those wheels, when they were new. You've got no cracks in the windscreen, wipers are good. You've got no damage, like I said before, light lenses. It's got headlight washers, this as well. But yeah, just absolutely sweet as you can see. 4.2. But yeah, can't speak more highly of this car. You'll go a long way. You'll drive a lot of miles looking at a lot of cars before you see a car like this. It's absolutely stunning, inside and out. I can't overemphasize it. Nobody, whether you come from Kent, from the north of Scotland, wherever you come from to see this car, you will not be disappointed. Look at that in the sunshine. Absolutely dazzling, isn't it? Anyway, any further questions, give us a shout on the number 07759 938 395. You can email us on sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. Check out our website, check out our YouTube channel, because this video will be going on there. You may be watching this video from a Facebook link or from a link somewhere else off Car Run Classic or whatever, but actually it is on our YouTube channel along with lots of other videos. So subscribe to us on there, check out the other videos, share them if possible. It's one hell of a car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't hesitate to be in touch, and we look forward to talking to you really soon. Thanks for watching.